This is an overview of the system you can get from teamfunnels.com for only $100 one time. And this is a CRM pipeline lead generation system. It has SMS and email autoresponders and broadcasting. It has a page builder to build website pages and sales funnels. Everything you need. Only $100 one time. The first thing I'm going to do is show you the page builder. So if you want, you can install templates that you can get from ThemeForest or anywhere else online. But the easiest thing to do to create a template is to use the web page cloner. So I'm just going to click on web page cloner here. I'm going to go to a sales funnel that's already been built. You see this is a pretty nice sales funnel. It's already built. I'm just going to copy the URL out of the address bar. I'm going to go into my web page cloner. I'm going to paste that URL there. I need to do a folder name, so I'm just going to name this example for the folder name, example with a capital E for the title, and then the template URL page name needs to be all lowercase in one name, so I'll just do lowercase example, and I'm going to click on clone web page and install template. What this is going to do is download everything from the page, all the images, JavaScripts, CSS files, everything, and put it into your system as a template. So you see we've got this all into the system, ready to go in the drag and drop editor as a template. So now it's just a matter of going in and changing the content. So you just go in here and change any text you want to change. If you want to change images, you just double click on the images. You can change the images. So you see within like 30 seconds, I had a very high quality sales funnel template ready to work on inside my editor. So it's very easy to build the pages with this. And if you want to preview how that page looks, you can click that little eyeball there. You see everything there. And just like it was, you can just go in and edit all the content inside your editor. Now, once you've edited that template however you want, you're going to want to be able to put that onto one of your pages. So I'm going to go to the front end pages here. And you see I've already got my home page created by default. If you want to add a new page, you can click on there to add a new page. That'll take you into the editor to add a new page. But for this one, I'll just open the editor for the home page. And what I'm going to do is click on this little icon here to update the current page. And what I'm going to do is select this template right here to import and click on update page. And just like that, we've instantly got our page updated with the template. So this is now set as my home page, and again we can go in here and edit any of the content on the page with the editor. So you can click this eyeball to preview the home page. So building pages with this system is a piece of cake. It's very simple. Again, the system is only $100 one time. You can get it from teamfunnels.com. Okay, so to show you the rest of the system, so once you've captured leads, you're going to see them on your leads list. You see that we've got this lead highlighted. The way you can highlight your leads is you just go to settings here and you go to lead highlighters, and you can write identifiers for different lead highlighters and then select a color for each highlighter that you want to use. And then what you do is go to your leads and you can edit the lead here. So we click on edit for that lead, and then we select the highlighter we want to use. So for this one, I'll select VIP and save changes for that lead. And now if we go back to the leads list, you see now we have the highlighter for that lead as well. The next thing is the pipeline. So if you go to the pipeline, you can drag leads to different pipeline stages. And from here, you can also view and edit the leads. So anywhere you drag this, it's going to stay there in that other pipeline. You can change the pipeline titles. To do that, you would just go to settings and go down to pipeline stages here, and you can write your pipeline stage names or titles and set the order here and set which one you want to be the default. And then you go back to your pipeline stages and you see they're all, your pipeline stages will be updated with your new titles, and you can drag any lead anywhere you want in the pipeline stage. If you want to make this full screen so you can see everything easier, you just click this little icon here to make that full screen. Okay, so for some other features, if you want to change the color scheme and the branding of your system, you just go to System Branding, and you can set the name of your business here. You can upload a logo if you want, change the color scheme, all right here. You've got the option for a light mode and a dark mode. See, now I'm in dark mode. You can change the color scheme for both modes, make it look exactly how you want. So some other settings, you've got your OpenAI settings. What that is if you enter OpenAI settings, let's go here real quick. If you enter your OpenAI key, you can select the model you want to use for making drag and drop page builder changes. So you can just type into the drag and drop page builder to what you want it to change for you, and it will do that for you. And then this other model you can select for writing AI generated email and page builder text. So if you want to have it help you with writing your email autoresponders or writing the text in the editor, you can use OpenAI to help you with that. And then Stripe settings, if you enter your Stripe key and Stripe secret and then copy this URL from here and put it in your Stripe account to create a webhook, and then get your secret for the webhook. That's all you need to do for Stripe. Once you do those things, you're all set up and ready to use Stripe. And then you can just go down here to Page Builder and go to Stripe Checkout Buttons, and then add a Stripe Checkout button. And here you just put the name of your button, and then you'd put the Stripe price ID. You get that inside your Stripe account. There's instructions right there on how to do that. You put a successful payment redirect URL and a canceled payment redirect URL, and then you can drag that Stripe button onto your page with the drag and drop editor. Again, we just put the button text here, so whatever you want your button to say, like check out now or whatever you wanted to say. And then once you've created that button, you go back in the drag and drop editor and you can just drag that on from the drag and drop editor. So very easy to create Stripe checkout buttons. You don't need to customize any of this if you don't want to. You can use these customization options to perfect your button before you drag it on, or you can just change it inside with the drag and drop editor too. So it's very easy to add Stripe checkout to your pages. For your lead capture form, you can customize the lead capture form here. You can make this however you want it to look, and it gives you a preview here. So if you want to remove this message box, or if you want to remove the phone, or want to remove the email, you can do that. You can change the font sizes, the widths, everything is fully customizable with this lead capture form customizer here. Then you can just drag this lead capture form onto the page with the drag and drop editor. We've got the same thing for if you wanted to have a button generated popover. So when someone clicks a button, it opens a popover. You can fully customize this popover that it opens. And then you can have the editor open the popover inside the editor, and then you can place your capture form inside that popover if that's how you want to do it. So it's just a lot of easy to use features in this system. Again, this is only $100 one time at teamfunnels.com. And then if you want to upgrade your system later on, you click on this upgrade icon. That will take you to a page where you can get the upgrade from Team Funnels, and that turns your individual system into a custom marketing system and membership platform. Basically gives you a replicating marketing system for unlimited members where they duplicate everything you have built for yourself for every member that joins your network. So gives you a marketing system. You can charge members for access to it if you want, and you can pay them commissions up to 6 levels. Again, it's just the same thing as what you have, except for it adds more features, gives you the ability to do memberships and pay commissions on the memberships, everything you need to build a complete marketing system for unlimited members with that upgrade. So you can upgrade your system anytime. Again, this system is only $100 one time, and the upgrade is $100 a month or $1,000 one time for the upgrade.